Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today is a little bit of a different video. We are trying to experiment here and see if you're looking to find out how I would do my nails at home. I have went to salon for the past 6 months now. I want to transfer into doing it at home for myself because I actually did it in the COVID times for a very long time and I kind of want to do it again since I do have a little bit more flexibility with my time. Therefore, I'm looking to create aura nails. I'm sure you have seen it everywhere on social media, especially on TikTok. It's very famous. I've seen them everywhere and I really wanted to recreate them on my nails. I have square nails. I'm not trying to change the shape only because I am a model. I just want to do something very simple, very easy. I will be using hard gel. I'm not sure if you guys know about hard gel. Hard gel is a builder gel. It is a little bit harder to use, but I already accumulated and I think it's quite easy. It's easier for me than acrylic nails and I feel like it's a little more healthier. I am trying to get into gel-X nails as well. If you're looking into watching any of those types of videos, let me know down below if I should continue doing nail videos at all. So today we are doing a very simple pink aura nails. I will be using the eyeshadow technique. It should be very fun, very easy, and very exciting. I am so thankful for you to come on here to watch this video. Let's get started. Alright you guys, something very nice and very simple. I'm using the Murta eyeshadow palette. Look how nice and sweet this palette is. I'll be using the pink colors and here are my nails. This is what I'm starting with. I shaved everything off and prepped my nail base for the hard gel. Here it is. I'll be using the pink one. I just feel like it looks a little more natural underneath. And for the base color, I'll be using pinkish, almost white color. I cannot see the number right now, but yeah, this is the color. It looks really nice and beautiful. I'll also be preparing a side of alcohol just so that I could use it and clean off my brush because hard gel is quite sticky and I'm sure you know. And as any other gel, I just feel like it's really hard to work with sometimes because of how sticky it is. So I prepared my brush. I cleaned it off with all the residue that I may have. I haven't done this in 3 years. I still have this little bottle from 3 years ago and it's still really good. So I prepare my nails with alcohol so I don't dehydrate them, especially if I already have some of the base already. I'll basically fill them in as I'm doing right now. I'll be taking a small ball and just distributing it evenly. I feel like at this point the hard gel is really nice to work with just because it's really nice to work around and you have enough time to do so. Otherwise other gels, they just spill. I feel like that doesn't happen with the hard gel. And you see this base, I love how it looks. It just evens out as I go. You don't have to do too much. You just cure it under the lamp and voila, you have a nice bed which looks amazing and you could just work with whatever you want. You could add in more or you don't have to add in more. This hard gel technique is so much more flexible in my opinion. Now let's talk about how you can make it sure that it looks even. I firstly just go with a very nice and thin layer, and if I do need to, I will be adding on more builder gel just on top just to grow in that apex. But as of now, I just want to make sure that everything is evened out and then I add in more as I go. I just want to make sure that first base is nice and thin so that I don't have too much product on my nails and they don't look too thick, if you know what I mean. Now I know that hard gels could be a little bit hard to work with someone who is a beginner. I know that for sure. It took me a really long time to learn, but I obviously just had to go in with the flow. I had to practice a lot more, and also it's very nice because it evens out by itself. You just let it be, like it falls into place right away. And if you want to do it, you could turn your finger upside down so that it just like lays everything out. And I just love how this works. It's just beautiful to me. I prefer this instead of like acrylic nails. I'm really bad at acrylic nails. Like whenever I would do them, maybe I didn't do them properly, but they would look horrendous. My nails would look like a nightmare. I would never have an even base, but it's just me, I guess. I don't like the smell of the acrylics. Just gel nails are a little bit easier for me to work with, and that's what I've been sticking to for a very long time, even if I would go to a salon. I have been also noticing that it is very in trend to have Russian nails done, and Russians, they have the hard gel and they use hard gel only, and that's how they get that nice perfect manicure. I'm not to that point yet. I'm still working on my base, but I just love Russian manicure because it's just so nice, clean, neat, and they use dry materials. They usually don't go for like anything that is liquid. Everything is just nice, clean, and I love the effect. I actually, as I'm doing the voiceover, got tired of the pink aura nails, and I redid them the next week because I just love doing my nails. I know that I can't do them for too long, but I just love doing my nails and I love the technique so much. And of course, Leviza is talking about something that is not on topic of the video. I just love talking to you guys, but I have done my nails. I did buff them, shape them the way I want to right after I did a hard gel, and then I applied the foundation base, and I went with my first layer of the pink white-ish color, I would say, and I tried to do even work as much as possible. I was concentrated. I was really, really concentrated. So I put that all over my nails and had to make sure that everything looks neat, because if I do this incorrectly, my nails would start to peel, and we really don't want that happening. Yes, peeling was another factor that I came across when I was doing gel nails. This is just regular gel nail polish. I cure it under the lamp. I just make sure that I cure everything. Every set of the nails I cure about 60 seconds, 30 minimum. I just had to make sure that everything is cured before we go with another layer, because sometimes if I don't dry my nails correctly, they may peel, and I really don't want that happening, and I just want to keep you away from happening as well. Okay, so I chose in between two of the colors. I went with the brighter hot pink color because it was showing up a little more on the base, and I went with the color Delicious. Yes, it's delicious. It's literally nice, hot and pink. And what I did was I take a fluffier brush, and then I just literally put it in the center of my nails and buffed it out with the fluffier brush, even more fluffier brush. My next step would be adding the glossy top coat. I love this top coat because it gives me that nice plasticky nails. Like, my nails look like they're secure. This is not my nail, this is fake, but this one just literally secures my nails really, really well, and it doesn't smudge whatever art piece you have underneath. I have not cured my nails under the lamp after the shadow, which makes no sense if I do so because it's a shadow and it doesn't need to be cured, but I will be curing it right after I add in the top coat, and everything just looks nice and good. I try to make this process as even as possible as well, because we don't want a top coat that to be bulgy, you know. We try to make it as flat as possible, perfect as possible, and just have fun, you guys. I think I'm noticing that these nails are not the most perfect thing I have ever done. I'm not the biggest fan of these nails, but I just tried my best. This is the first time of me doing it in 3 years, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. I just want to try out the trend and see what works out. I will be doing more of these types of videos if you guys are interested. I try to do a lot of things at home, and nails are something that keeps me creative, and therefore I love doing them at home so much, and it would be nice for me to share them to you as well as part of my lifetime or lifestyle routine. All right, my lovely, lovely, beautiful, beautiful people, I would love to wrap this up. This is me just applying the ends of the top coat and then curing it under the lamp, and then applying some cuticle oil just to make sure everything is nice and protected. I will be showing you the final results. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you are looking for any other skincare tips, or I would say maintenance tips. I love doing these types of videos. I actually like these nails. They look really nice on my skin. Let me know if you do something like this at home. I would love to know. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. I really care about you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. I hope you have a good one. Bye.